You need to do this. You need to do that. If you don't do it my way, you're going to fail. I do have a bit of a problem with that one. Because you need to do you. And in this platform, unfortunately, people tend to be very, very pushy, just to put it that way. And they always say like, well, unless you do this, you will not survive. Well, you honestly don't know that because you have not gone through it yet. So that is the first thing that I always like push back on. It's like, well, how do you know that you're going to survive an SHTF? Because your grandparents did, but your grandparents are not you. We're talking about you. How will you know if you have never gone through it? So when they say you need to do this because otherwise you will not survive, they come to you with zero life experience. That's just how it is. I'm sorry to say that, but that's just how it is. Now, many will say, well, if a natural event happened, have you gone through that natural event? A hurricane, tornado, earthquake, have you gone through it? Yes or no? The answer is very simple. Yes or no? Yes, then now you have something to talk about. You have some experience. No, then all you have is theory? I don't know. Tell me, what do you think in the comment section below? Tell me if you want to go with theory or you want to go with real life experience. So they often say those things. And they often say those things because, unfortunately, people are very gullible. They are easy to manipulate by saying those things. You need to do this, otherwise you will not survive. You need to buy this gear, otherwise you will not make it. Here's my advice. You need to do you. How easy of that? How easy of advice is that? You need to do you. I come here and I share with you what I do. And I give you my opinion on the things that I do and how it worked out for me. I also share my past, how things were in Cuba, SHTF, real SHTF. Would I come here, have I ever come here telling y'all, if you want to live in the desert, this is what you got to do. I don't do that because I don't know anything about a desert at all. I don't think I have ever even visited a desert. So, for theory, I hope you don't come here. I hope you don't come here for theory. But that's what I want to say. You need to really do you. And unfortunately, you won't find people saying that to you often because it's unfortunately, but when there is a monetary value attached to things, well, that's just how it's going to be. Take, for example, I remember doing a review some time ago about shoes, right? Some boots that I was going to try out and whatnot. And I told you all, hey, I'm going to be trying this out during summer. I got them. They fit really good. My son is using it and whatnot. And I am currently using it. Like, truly using them. I don't think I can lift my leg all the way up. But I do have it on. Let me see if I can take it off without going nuts. And these ones are the ones that have the little there you go, the little thing, so you don't have to undo the shoelaces. Put it back on. But I'm just telling you that. Give me 1 second, and I'm not gonna edit this out. I want you all. I'm tired. I want you all to hear how things happen. And this is my shoe in my leg. I'm too old for that. Anyways, all jokes aside. But you don't have to get those boots. You see what I'm saying? That's what I'm trying to tell you. You don't have to do it. You need to do you. You see what I'm saying? So I want you to, when you go online, please just be mindful that not everyone comes to you with experience, and that is something that it's unfortunate, but that's just going to be the truth. You're going to find different niches when it comes to preparedness. You're going to see folks like recommending you, like, for example, firearms. And they will argue, and they're good at arguing. They will bring you all of this data and whatnot, but for every data point, trust me, there's an argument on the other side. But all of that is just data. All of that is just theory. Reality is very different. Trust me on it. It's very different. That's why I was here when it comes to firearms. I'm so adamant. I'm telling you all 22, 22, 22. Because I know how capable and how much damage a 22 can do. I know. But that's the thing. But if you don't want to listen, by all means, you don't have to. And remember what I'm saying. You have to do you. Remember that. You have to do you. I don't think I will ever, honestly, and I saw a video the other day, and in regards to guerrilla warfare and whatnot, and I agree with that content creator. I don't think I will ever see myself doing that. I'm in my mid-40s. I'm tired. My shoulders are messed up. My back is messed up. My knees are giving up on me. I don't think I have a lot left working in my body. So I don't know. I hunt. I go fishing. I camp. I try to be up there as much as possible. But the idea of that, no, that's, I don't know. That's maybe for folks who want to prove something to themselves. I got nothing to prove. I mean, I think that's the difference. That people want you to do what they couldn't do it, and that's why they push it on you. But I pretty much had done everything that I wanted to do in my life. So I got nothing left to prove. So I just want to share with y'all my past experience, what is happening. And I want to share with y'all that, not everybody has your best interests at heart. I want to mention that, and I want to be very adamant about it. Not everyone has your best interests at heart. I want you to do good. I want you to do not just as good as me. No. I wish to do better than me. Because if you do, that means that I do not have to worry about you. Because SHTF is not like people think. No. It's a war of resources. And those who have more resources are going to be better off. I know this for a fact. Because in Cuba, everyone, or those who had resources, were bugged by everyone. Meaning that if you had, let's say, tools, everyone will come knocking at your door. Hey, can I borrow your tools? Yeah. And so on and so forth. I'll just give you an example of tools. So bear in mind that everything that you see out there may not be for you. Bear in mind that not everyone out there will have your best interests at heart. Bear in mind that not everyone out there wants you to do better than they do. What is the saying goes? I want you to do good, but not better than me? No. I want you to do way above better than me, because that way I don't have to worry about you. In fact, if you do way better than me, you are now an asset. I want you to be in my group. You see what I'm saying? So I don't want to come here and give you bad advice based on theory. I want to give it to you based on my life experience and based on things that I have gone through. That being said, remember, you need to do you, because not everything that I'm showing here will be needed for you or will be applicable to you. You see what I'm saying? So take what you want, take what you need, and always remember, you need to do you. With that being said, let me know what you think in the comment section below, and I hope to see you in the next one.